Hi everyone, Sheree here. Today I'm going to go through the new kit from Felicity Jane. This one is called Jenny. It is the 5th birthday of Felicity Jane this month, so we are celebrating. And there are so many fun things in this kit. I can't wait to show them to you. If you are a kit subscriber, you will find a little gift in your pack this month. So I can't show you what that is. I don't want to spoil it for anyone, but you've got something fun to look forward to. Alright, so let's start off with a few of these things here that I have out on my desk. Starting off with the Jenny Puffy stickers. Absolutely love these. I think I'll need to order some more of these for myself. So you've got happy, celebrate, yay, smile, birthday, love, today. And then you've got these other little shapes here as well to use. So absolutely love those. Alright, next we have the stamp set. This is always one of my favourite things in the kit every month. As always, it comes in this handy little pouch with a cute little heart sticker on the back and that scalloped edge. And this month we've got a beautiful variety of stamps in this set. So you can see there's hello, it's your day, someone special, happy, 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 birthdays, love this, memories in the making. You've got some fun little squiggles down here and a line, beautiful you. And if your name is Jenny, lucky you, there's a Jenny stamp down the bottom. And we've got these flowers as well. So absolutely loving that set. So it's not just for birthdays, you can use these for any sort of occasion with some of the sentiments that's on there. Alright, so that's the stamp set. Next we have the Jenny word stickers. So there's lots of fun words on here. And you've got a mix of this type font with the scripty font there, which I absolutely love. So you've got the months of the year in here, but there's also a heap of other words like happy, smile, what else we've got, magic, birthday, hello, cupcake, this, that, this year, the best, together, with you, so fun, beautiful, just for you, remember this, and many, many more. So you've also got this cute little cupcake down here, a little heart and a row of stars. So that one is really great to have. So many things on that sticker sheet. Alright, next up we'll take a look at the Jenny Puffy alphabet. I absolutely love the font of this alphabet. It's a little bit whimsical. You also get this row of hearts down the bottom. That's a lot of fun. And of course, it goes the whole alphabet there and numbers at the end as well. So love those. Put those aside. We also have this Cardstock Fringe in the kit this month, and I love these. So you can mess those up, a little bit of extra texture on your pages. You could also use the whole lot behind a cut file. That'd be a lot of fun too. So there's 5 different colours in those strips, or so you can use them on their own or all together. So that's really fun too. Okay. Next up, I'll show you the Chipboard Stars. So there's a variety of colours and patterns. As always, there's a mix of colour with black and white. Always love that. So a whole bunch of stars there to use. And they're not perfect stars. They're a little bit whimsical. You can see there, they're not the perfect star shape, but, oh sorry, just trying to get that to focus. Doesn't want, there you go. So yeah, they're not quite perfect stars, but I love that. It just adds to the fun. Alright, so that's the stars. We also have the die cut shapes. So here's Jenny herself. And if you love the stamps that come to match the girls every month, you can get the stamp of Jenny in the store separately. So check that out if that's what you like. Alright, so we have so many die cuts in this pack. So as always, we've got labels there. We've also got some tabs, little circular pieces. We've got some words here, yay and hip hip hooray. Another little tab there, lots of flowers. We've got little cakes, banner pieces, and we've got numbers as well. Love those. And another cake there. So, you know, these sort of things you can layer, like you can put your little number 9 there, put a little cake in there as well, you know, that sort of thing. So they're great. So many things you can use those for. And they're not just birthday themed. I mean, you can use these flowers for any occasion, and the banner pieces and the labels. So even though this does have a lot of birthday themed pieces in this kit, there are so many other pieces that you can use for any occasion. Alright, so they're the die cuts. Next up, we'll take a look at the journaling cards. Just get those papers out of the way. Alright, okay, so we've got Celebrate, this rectangular speech bubble there. We've got the spots, and you might be able to see there's a place for journaling in 3 spaces on that card. Alright, we've got this diagonal striped piece with a little section there you can stamp in or add embellishments, or you could use alphabet stickers in there as well. We've got a little cake there, this beautiful floral, some stripes. We've got happy, 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 and more here. Love that gingham pattern. Got those rows of dots, some strawberries and stars. So, you know, if you don't do pocket page scrapbooking, you can use these just on your normal layouts. You can turn them into tags. You could even use all of these together and make a little mini album. That would be really cute as well. So lots of different things you can use these journaling cards for. So they are the journaling cards, and don't they look gorgeous all together? Absolutely love them. Alright, so let's get those out the way. And next, I'm just going to show you the confetti that comes in the kit. So there's a whole bunch of confetti. You've got these little starburst or flowery sort of shapes, and you've got the corally colours there, pinks, and the yellows there as well. Aren't they cute? Absolutely loving those. Alright, that'll be fun to pick up later, but we'll move that to the side. Alrighty, so next we have the papers, of course. One of my favourite things every month is to go through these papers. So you'll notice on the paper pack you always get this sheet now. So don't throw this out. You can use this on your project. You could just cut that out and use that directly down the side of a page, or one of our creative team members actually used this strip to make a little mini album, which was really cute as well. I think that was Uli who did that a couple of months ago. So yes, don't throw this away. You could use them to make cards or whatever you like. Really handy piece in this kit. Okay, so let's move on to the papers. How beautiful is this floral? Absolutely love it. Now in the kit you do get 1 pack of paper, but if you prefer to have 2 lots of paper, you can order the paper packs separately as well if you want to have 2 sheets of every paper. So this is the floral, and then on the reverse, as always, we have a black and white pattern, and this is the hearts pattern on the back. And the branding strip on this is a lovely little mint scallop there down the bottom. So that's that one. Next up we have Bunting and Confetti. So there's the bunting pattern. How cute is that, little bows on all those strings. Absolutely love that. On the reverse we have this confetti. I think this is one of my favorite patterns. I absolutely love anything black and white polka dots, so that's going to be one of my favorite papers. And we have a yellow gingham strip on that branding strip there. Next up we have this gorgeous minty watercolor paper. Have a look at that. It's so beautiful. On the reverse of this one we have the scallops. So you can see there's little scallops on the scallops in this pattern. So loving that. Alright, next up we have streamers and type. So on this side we have these bubbly sort of lines as the streamers, and then on the reverse we have this awesome type font, and there's lots of birthday sayings there, and some of the words are in the colours that match the colour palette of the kit. And on this branding strip we have confetti down the edge there, so that's really fun. We also have the grids and lines, so we've got this mustard grid on this side. On the back we have the black and white stripes, and we have this little spotty branding strip along the edge. Okay, next up is the hearts, or the stripes and hearts. So I love these papers with these bold stripes, and the colours are absolutely gorgeous. On the reverse we have these sketchy hearts. They're really super cute, and we have a striped branding strip along the edge there. Okay, we also have the solid papers. So we've got the pink and coral. As always, they have the scalloped branding strip on the bottom side. The other colour is that pretty minty colour with the mustardy yellow on the reverse. So, papers, absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely love everything in this kit this month. There is a couple of other things I want to show you, so I'll go and grab those and be back in a moment. Alright, so the other couple of things I wanted to share with you were the metal die set, which matches the stamp set in the kit this month. So as you can see, you get the hello word and the 3 floral pieces. They always come in this handy little pouch as well, so it keeps them nice and safe and all together. So if you hate fussy cutting, this is definitely for you. It makes it so easy and you get the perfect cut every time. I absolutely love those. The other thing I wanted to show you, which is also available in the shop, is this absolutely adorable birthday confetti. So I just wanted to give you a closer look at that because the colours are absolutely gorgeous. How cute is that? Such a fun thing to have in your stash. There are a few other things available separately in store as well that aren't included in the kit, such as a traveller's notebook insert, which I believe has this gorgeous bold stripe on the cover. So if you're wanting to add some more traveller's notebooks to your stash, definitely go and check that out. And don't forget, most of these kit items are available separately in the store. So if you don't want to have the whole kit, but there are a few things that you wanted to get your hands on, make sure you head on over and check those out. I'll leave a link down below to Felicity Jane for you to go and have a look. So keep an eye out. There will be a couple of new products coming out later in the month to help celebrate Felicity Jane's birthday, and I'll be sharing some projects very soon using this gorgeous kit. I'll leave you with some close-up photos of a few of the products at the end of this video, but until next time, thank you so much for joining me and have a lovely day. Bye for now.